The Dell S2725HS 27-inch monitor is a versatile display designed to enhance both work and leisure experiences. Its impressive features make it a standout choice for users seeking performance, comfort, and style. Display quality: equipped with a full HD 1920x1080 IPS panel, the S2725HS offers vibrant visuals with 99% sRGB color coverage. The 100Hz refresh rate ensures smooth motion, while the 1500.1 contrast ratio delivers deep blacks and bright whites, enhancing clarity and detail. Eye comfort: certified with TÜV Rheinland Eye Comfort 4-star. This monitor incorporates ComfortView Plus technology to reduce harmful blue light emissions without compromising color accuracy. This feature is ideal for extended viewing sessions, minimizing eye strain. Audio performance: the S2725HS comes with integrated dual 5W speakers, offering clear and immersive sound for video calls, media consumption, and casual gaming. The re-engineered audio system provides a richer and more detailed listening experience compared to previous models. Ergonomic design: designed with user comfort in mind, the monitor features a height-adjustable stand with tilt, swivel, and pivot capabilities. This flexibility allows users to customize the viewing angle, promoting better posture and reducing physical strain. Connectivity and build: the S2725HS includes two HDMI 1.4 ports for versatile connectivity options. Its modern lifestyle-inspired design with ultra-thin bezels and a textured back panel ensures it complements any workspace. Sustainability: Dell emphasizes sustainability in the S2725HS's construction, utilizing 85% post-consumer recycled plastic and 100% recycled aluminum in the stand. The monitor's packaging is also eco-friendly, made from 100% recyclable materials. The Dell S2725HS 27-inch monitor combines high-quality display, ergonomic design, and sustainable materials, making it an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable and stylish monitor for various applications. Its thoughtful features cater to both performance and comfort, ensuring a satisfying user experience.